Prison Pizza Challenge, man. We're back at it. Live and direct of the stuffed crust. Let's do it full. We'll be out of after. Prison Pizza Challenge.
We're definitely gonna be out of after.
Man, did 5 years in prison, man. Came home with the secret ingredients to what they was doing in prison. We seen a lot of people on YouTube asking how they be cooking stuff and how would the food taste like.
We're gonna show them right now.
My man giving y'all the real deal. Chef boy, chop everything up.
It's straight from scratch, y'all.
Mozzarella cheese. We got
no
the
stove.
plan.
Straight mic.
Straight microwave work. See this, ain't no cap. It's live and direct, man. You start doing your YouTube channel, man. My boy Lip on the ones and twos in the kitchen. No dominoes, no DiGiorno.
This straight mic. You have.
Show y'all the ingredients a little later when he done stuffing the crust, but he doing the stuffed crust pieces, y'all. Y'all see this rocket tortillas up, put the mozzarella cheese in there, stuffed crust pieces. Real live HD view. Got the baby clams.
I know they probably like, damn, how you doing it like that?
Baby clams though, y'all. Prison Pizza Challenge, man.
They like, how sure they doing it like that? That's what I tell y'all, man. This shit going up.
I'm excited.
Might bring a truck to y'all where you at.
Dominoes, man. Cinnamon Dawson's YouTube. Cinnamon Dawson's and we making pieces, man. Prison pieces, man. Shit tastes better than Dominoes.
Called 4K hookups, man.
I'm excited.
Come in, get you one, I'm telling you.
That down the road hookup right here, man.
Ain't nothing to it but to do it, man. All right, so look, we're gonna go with the second rap, y'all, man.
Second layer.
We're gonna overlap them.
Second layer, man.
We're gonna overlap them, y'all. We're gonna overlap right here. Boom.
This is the boiling hot water. Got one know you dipping the wraps in. It's the boiling hot water.
Yeah, the scorchy.
Scorching hot. Got to cut up sausages right here. Real sausages, though. Ain't none of that. No commissary sausages. Real sausage. Big pack.
You heard me? Lip doing it like that, huh? Let me taste that. Yeah, that's what you're gonna say. That's what your bitch gonna say.
Italiano pizza, man. Stuff you ain't never seen nobody make a homemade stuffed crust jail chunk like prison chunk. With the Prego sauce. Wait till that sauce get on you.
And look, I'm straight sanitized too, y'all. Hands, everything. I got the water for y'all. Everything sanitized.
Wash mine. That's first. You gotta wash the hands. That's you can't eat unless you say the grace and wash the hands.
Gotta mix it up, bro.
I wish I could taste it, you too, for real, man.
You gotta mix it up. Look. Let me show y'all, man. Look at this shit, man.
High definition look, bro. That shit there.
You hear me? Corners, cuts.
That shit right there.
It ain't over yet, though. I'm telling you.
We just getting started. We'll set the stove up for y'all. Y'all gonna see him put it in there. Y'all gonna see him put it together first, create it. Then y'all gonna see him drop it in that oven. Yeah, you with the microwave, whatever we gonna do. That shit there. I'm taking notes if y'all can't see. I don't know how to do it yet. You know what I'm saying? But I'm watching right here.
We almost there, y'all.
I'm up close and personal so I can learn how to do it. Next time I'm G.I. Joe be making my first piece.
We almost there.
Prison style.
Good, man. Free the real.
Free the real. We can't forget that. We'll be right making this. We can't say free all the members, man. Free everybody.
Free the motherfucking real.
We don't know you free. You free the ops. Don't want nobody in jail, man. Free everybody. Rest in peace to the fallen soldiers, man. Rest in peace, Mom. Rest in peace, Abdi. Rest in peace, Blockhead. Rest in peace, E. You with me? Rest in peace, Reed, Fame, Reed. So many of them. Rest in peace, everybody. Free the men. It's for the men locked up right here, y'all.
And I love the perk when I do this shit, though, y'all.
Wait till y'all see the whole pie. Wait till y'all see the pie real quick when he's done.
I love the perk when y'all. You hear me? You hear me, though, cuz?
Let's see. Wait, watch the perk out when that crust get that last crust get flipped over. You with me?
I love the perk. This shit wicked. I'm telling you.
You have to.
This shit wicked, y'all. Y'all gonna be like, Mo, how the fuck? How the hell he do that?
You have to show them.
I'm gonna show you.
If you don't know them, show them.
Maya gonna be like, Uncle, I didn't know.
And I'm letting my daughter test it too, y'all.
This is stuffed crust, y'all. Once again, this is stuffed crust, Mo. This job is crazy. You
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video, man. Check the thumbnail. I have my man in the thumbnail. Like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead, Mike. Let's go see Uncle Lit making the pizza. He's making a homemade pizza on YouTube for that YouTube channel. Okay.
This
see me, Maya?
this is not even a YouTube.
It's a YouTube channel, man.
Not right there. That camera. That's going on YouTube.
This is not the YouTube channel.
It is. We on right here.
It's right there. It's gonna be my YouTube.
You might have
See what
seen.
he's doing? No, look what he's doing.
You might have
What
seen.
is he making? What does it look like he's making?
Pizza, because I can see it.
Homemade pizza, man.
You hear me, Maya? You hear me?
Cheese, no pork. No pork, y'all.
At
Beef
all.
sausage. Beef sausage.
We just having fun, y'all.
Allow beef sausage.
We just having fun,
I
y'all.
want to put the stickers on my fingernail.
Go ahead. Go do your thing. That's it.
We ain't doing nothing but having fun, y'all.
We just started
You hear me? Now I'm about to whip the sauce up for y'all, man, so y'all can see this.
That's Prego sauce.
So y'all can see all this shit.
Prego. My Italian side came out. That's Prego. Whip it, pig.
Real quick. Sauce behind this. What me?
Man, watch my man work. I can't flip the camera, but I'm gonna show y'all the Prego right here. Y'all can see. Oh yeah, we got an HD look. I got my Gucci. We in our house. We in our spot. This is our shit. We can yelling here, screaming here, cussing here. We pay the bills. So we in the spot. Y'all looking
Y'all
at
see that motherfucker? Prego.
Y'all looking at live and direct.
We got Prego, you hear me?
What they call it, cuz?
And Prego. Watch out for you, you hear me? I ain't gonna say no more.
Watch them work though, y'all. We can't let y'all see everything in the cabinet, man. Ingredients, man. They're gonna be stealing ingredients, man.
Oh. I'm telling you.
Gotta put that umph on there. A special umph. That's a special umph sauce.
I'm telling you, y'all. Y'all don't know
So
what
you
time
like,
it is, man.
comment, subscribe. Flood the comments. Tell us what y'all want to see next.
I don't even know what's this.
Prison Pizza Challenge. You got a loved one locked up. Make sure you comment. Put their name in the comment. JPay, all that, man. We doing this for y'all. Homemade pizza style, man. Homemade pizza challenge. Jail style. Prison style. Federal style. All the above. Need this content for my page. I need more watch time hours, so I'm doing the pizza challenge so they can give me my monetized. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to comment, like, subscribe, share the channel, get the views up. Need over my watch time hours. I like your nails. They're pretty, mama. This is my daughter. This is one of 4 kids. Maya. Got Jill Rosario, Giovanni, Rada Nozar. She's the oldest. Maya.
Y'all ready?
Man whipped up. Let y'all get close.
This really that though, like
Man in the kitchen working, right?
this is really that though, y'all. I ain't lying.
Sauce going on there. We just said sauce it up. Oh, do too much.
Do too much.
And enough.
And enough.
And enough. And where you from? Throw it up. Going nuts. Going down.
If you ain't know,
Greg, I just got out of the shop.
if you ain't know,
You know we comfy. We got the house slippers on. We comfy. In our own establishment. Prison Pizza Challenge, man.
we gonna top it off with a little bit more sauce, y'all. One more time.
Got you. Stuffed crust probably gonna be.
A little bit more sauce,
Man, that mozzarella too. Ain't no cheap cheese. Ain't no Velveeta government. It's mozzarella. Top of the line.
This most definitely top of the line.
Top of the line. Good old Mozzie. Mozzarella.
We really
Have to have mozzarella.
I ain't gonna say the name. You gotta have your genre.
Tell me.
I ain't gonna say the whole name, but you gotta have that genre. You
Salsa.
One time we just top this junk on. They don't even.
I wish they can taste it, smell it through the phone, man. YouTube, go ahead and send that plaque. 100K subscribers coming soon, man. 100K subscribers. Gonna give y'all more homemade videos, more content, man.
More
Better
coming
content.
y'all way, man.
More coming y'all way.
Most definitely coming y'all way, man. I'm just being quick so I can, you know, so we can really show y'all like.
Get y'all a pay-per-view. That's all we doing. Showed y'all the start. Y'all seen it before. It was just straight
sauce in there,
It
y'all.
was straight tortillas.
Wash my hands.
Then he put the mozzarella in there. I'm giving y'all the step-by-step quick little tutorial. First we seen the wraps. Then we seen them wrap the mozzarella cheese for stuffed crust. Now we seen them put the sauce on there, the Prego sauce.
Yeah.
Go a little 1, 2, 3 of the ingredients. A little bit of ingredients.
You got the
That's
sauces, man,
right
with the
there.
jelly mix, man.
That's a prison recipe. Jelly going and everything. Make it sweet. You know, and then you limit it to, you know what I'm saying, short commodity. So, gotta make it work with the work. Bro, real life doing that, motherfucker. We ain't doing no cussing for the YouTube. Yes, mama.
When is this gonna?
When's it gonna dry?
Yeah.
When you start messing with it. Go put it back in your towel and let it dry a little bit more.
You gotta, listen, I gotta show y'all. You gotta have that garlic.
That shit make everything.
You have to. You ain't gotta do too much. You just,
See the sprinkle them sausages on there though, y'all. You can go closer up, man.
You ain't gotta do too much.
Man.
That's all you need right there.
Sprinkle. That's the magic right there.
That's all you need right there. That's what's gonna set it all. Then you got
Magic
that. Then you got that. I'm in love with the women.
Prison pizza challenge. Here go the magic right here. The prison pizza challenge, man.
They gonna be like, Mo, how could you try like? How do you?
This is how you make pizza in prison or jail, man. This is how you make pizza in there. It ain't how you make it, it's who make it though. That's the difference. Everybody can make it or try, but it's like once you taste it, that separates the best from the rest.
You know what I mean?
It's how you make it, not who. You know what I'm saying? It's who make it, not how you make it.
Who make it? Why do you make it?
When did you? Why did you? How did you?
Where did you make
Put that
it?
together.
Y'all see what that is? It really having that bowl behind. Dang, that's the guy like the sneaky right there.
I showed y'all what that was. That was the baby clams right there. Boom. So the baby clams sauteed
with
with
the
the
butter garlic, man.
butter garlic in there. Grow special ingredients and sauce in there. Baby clams going there. You can add your yellowfin, everything. You know, we doing that's expensive too. You gotta tell them what that is behind the water. How much these don't, you know, these go for the high, the baby clams.
This shit is like.
It's the rich, in prison, this would be a rich person's pizza.
It's a rich meal,
This
y'all.
ain't the regular. Yeah,
Not the regular.
ain't the regular. It's the rich.
This is the rich.
It's the rich prison pizza right there,
This
man.
right here.
The yellowfin, man.
I'm telling you.
Gotta have money to get that off commissary.
I'm telling you.
You gotta know somebody. Know
I
somebody.
should put on
Think you should put on your. Ask YouTube. What you think? Ask YouTube.
these or these.
I think YouTube said the Crocs. But you gotta change your shirt because you spilled candy on your shirt.
I spilled slightly with this.
Yeah, I think she wear the Crocs.
Okay, but
Not on my Crocs. Go ahead.
I'm gonna
You
get
gotta have that yellow.
Daddy. I'm gonna put on the Jordans.
The Jordans you can wear them to school. Yeah, you can wear them to school. You and your brothers got matching Jordans. Better get y'all together and take some pictures. Y'all can take some matching
Hey,
pictures.
once again, y'all, this is no swine, y'all.
No pork. No oink oink.
We don't do that.
We don't F for 12, man. When we was 11, we turned 13 because we don't F for 12. You in?
Man, whole time is Ramadan. We just prepping this junk just to warm it up.
We ain't gonna eat it yet. See, we ain't even touch. You know, people lick their fingers or taste a little rest. We ain't do nothing because it's Ramadan.
We ain't doing
It
that.
ain't sundown yet. Drink some water and spit it out.
We just prep up, man. Then you hear me? Go ahead, turn that oven on. You ain't got shit to worry about. You hear me?
We add any more? What we add is the last ingredient, bro.
Last ingredient, there's a little bit more cheese.
All right. That right there, the baby clams and
I see that
the
juice on that bit.
baby
You ain't got no
clams.
juice. It ain't what it is, y'all.
His hands is very clean for those who's gonna be in the comments saying, "Oh, did he wash his hands?" Very clean.
Wash my hands
Wash them
like
every
5 times
time.
for y'all.
Yeah.
If we want
Sanitize
the
them every
video.
time. I ain't even touching them to cook. I wash my hands
If we want the video,
to
y'all.
record. I don't know if it's gonna cut off though. So if it cut off, I'm gonna add a part 2. If it don't get, if we gotta cut off, so y'all can see and put it in the oven. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta show y'all the after too. Y'all gotta see it. I might put a thumbnail for the short to see the after product if we can't get the whole cooking time on here.
You know what I mean? Watch this though, y'all. I'm gonna get behind you one
I
more
think
time.
iPhone let you
Make sure
record
y'all
up to
wash
30
your
minutes.
hands, man.
Got to. Again, washing his hands, you know. Sanitization. For equal liberation, you know.
Get them hands right, man. You don't want them mixing smells up. I'm telling y'all.
Call me insane. Yeah, close up, look. That Prego, man. Look at the ingredients, man. Prison pizza challenge, man. I'm telling you. Tell Domino's, tell DiGiorno, we putting them out of business real soon. And this shit straight at home. One more splash of the
Just the top of
mozzarella. So we got extra cheesy mozzarella pizza. What stuffed crust mozzarella? No pork.
That's all you need. You don't need all no extra cheese. Just top it off like that. You can put your seasons on. You know the magic gonna get put on there regardless. That magic gonna get on there. That's why I got that white top on there.
Magic Johnson.
Magic Johnson. Theater. I'm jealous.
I'm telling you, never well.
Y'all see what that is? Cilantro. Y'all see what that is?
Chopped
Fresh.
up cilantro, man. Fresh chopped cilantro. You can't get these, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be special to get
Fresh.
these from the kitchen in prison or something like that. But you know, we free, so we value that. We get the ingredients we need. But
That's all you need. You know this shit's strong. Y'all don't need too
it's
much
a sprinkle
of
of that, yeah.
this. That's all you need right there.
But those who if you locked up and they got this on their pizza, they know somebody. They got money. Prison pizza challenge. This ain't no ordinary. We not at home just making pizza. No, this is the prison style pizza. Make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm making sure y'all know that. This is the prison style.
This shit is epic, y'all. I'm
This
telling you.
ain't no this, oh, let's just make a pizza. Not no order. This is a prison style pizza. Y'all seen it from start to finish. That's the final touch almost. We gonna throw it in the oven. Let that thing marinate and bake. We're gonna show y'all the final, you know what I'm saying, product.
Fuck it, I'm gonna show them, man. Let me show y'all one little jump.
Secret
Don't
sauce.
take my shit though, man.
Secret sauce right there.
Y'all see what that shit say?
Secret sauce.
I ain't gonna show y'all the whole jump.
Thank them later though. CTU Lip on Instagram. Bro gonna make a
You
YouTube.
can't tell me.
Bro gonna make a YouTube page soon so y'all can start seeing
Can't
this
tell me
content
though,
too.
cuz.
Yeah, that shit perfection. I know what it's gonna hit on. I can
That
take
shit
some.
though, y'all, man. You heard me permanent shit, 4K Way Kitchen, man. Get with us, man. Get low. We got the motherfucker, the swoles coming for y'all next.
Yes, sir.
We gonna show y'all the
Swole.
swole challenge next,
Show
man.
you how I go down behind the wall, man. My man gonna do everything. Good content coming on the way. Living style in the kitchen, man. YouTube. G-Star Giorgio channel. Just been bleed in the kitchen. I'll come back and show y'all the final product when he put it out there, when he take it out the oven. So if you was locked up, bro, would you put it in the microwave? You was locked up, yeah. We ain't gonna use a microwave. You gotta
Microwave, y'all. I ain't got no